Hi, I'm Raquel Robinson,
And I'm Melvin Pennant.
and we're here at the Friendship Garden in the Hope Botanical Gardens in Kingston, Jamaica, celebrating Holi.
This auspicious day is celebrated globally uniting family and friends.
The proceedings was orchestrated by the Indian High Commission here in Jamaica to unite all citizens.
So join PBCJ as we bring you highlights of the day's activities.
This is Agenda Jamaica. Pleasant viewing. How are you enjoying Holi 2025?
We're loving it. It's such a beautiful day. The colors, the food, the music, amazing vibes.
It's really fun. I love it. It's really nice.
This is good so far. I've been to Pagua, we call it Pagua in Barbados, and it's holy here. So I've been a couple times to Barbados, but here I feel like it's more full scale, it's more of an open space, and there's way more people that come to celebrate here. So I think it's very fun, and it's very nice to see how much people come and, incorporate Indian culture in their own culture.
Well, I am enjoying it a lot. I'm from Trinidad, by the way, and this is really at home for me. Yeah, and the foods are amazing. This is the first time I'm trying pani puri, and I love it.
It's very good to experience one of Jamaica's, I guess, older cultures. Indians have been here for a long time. We're maybe familiar with Indian food, but not the Indian culture. And this is a wonderful way to do it, I think. The colored powder is really fun. There's a lot of great food here as well. A lot of great entertainment. So definitely come out next year and experience it.
This is India-Jamaica Friendship Garden at the Hope Gardens, which is also the Royal Botanical Gardens. In 2022, our President of India, the former President of India, Excellency Ramnath Kovind, had come here and inaugurated this garden, which is India-Jamaica Friendship Hope Garden. This is a symbol of India-Jamaica friendship, which is deeply rooted in historical and cultural linkages. Celebrating Holi is an annual event here, as the High Commission of India every year celebrates Holi with the help and support of Indian cultural societies, which are associations in Jamaica, with the help of prominent Indians and Friends of Jamaica. Last year also Holi was celebrated in India-Jamaica Friendship Hope Garden. So this year also it is opportune that we selected this beautiful, wonderful venue, which is symbolic of India-Jamaica's growing and strengthening friendship.
Let's now look at some of the cultural performances by some of the Indian expat community members. Pleasant viewing.
गोरी है कलाइया वेला दो तुझे हरी हरी चूड़ियां गोरी है कलाइया वेला दो तुझे हरी हरी चूड़ियां
next performance is called Vintage Vibes. As you can imagine, vintage Bollywood vibes, you know, where people used to dance around the trees and flip their hands and tap their legs. So Vintage Vibes is next.
For all you people in love, check out this one. Swig it, swig it. One more fairy tale. That's my baby girl. Yeah, come on, shake this.
तेरी मलू गुलाल रंग बता ब्लू यला हवा में भांग मिलाया तेरे उड़ते बाल आजा रंग दो दोनों गाल अरे सारा रा रा कबीरा सारा रा रा
अरे रंग बरसे
Doing a favor, let's play होली
अरे रंग बरसे
रंगों में है प्यार की बोली
अरे रंग बरसे भीगे नरवाली रंग बरसे रंग बरसे
सावली सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा ओपनर तुझे गट गट मत पी लूं कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू ना समझ तू कोका कोला मैं तो विस्की दी बोतल मेरा एक सिप ही है काफी होने को ना शॉट होटल रखना मना है रुकना मना है मुझे पी ले जरा आ तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू
पैरों में तेरे घुंघरू की बिजुरियां छन 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 खाती रे बढ़न चली बोलो है जाती रे बढ़न चली बोलो है जाती रे जो होना है आज हो जाए अरे घुंघरू चाहे टूट ही जाए आंधी आए तूफान आए या अम्बर झुक जाए बढ़न चली देखो है जाती है बढ़न चली देखो है जाती रे पैरों में तेरे घुंघरू की बिजुरियां छन छन खाती रे बढ़न चली देखो है जाती रे बढ़न चली बोलो है जाती रे बढ़न चली देखो है जाती रे बढ़न चली बोलो है जाती रे अरे बढ़न चली देखो है जाती रे बढ़न चली बोलो है जाती रे
Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, baby, baby, take it, love it. Come here, rude boy, 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 boy. Come here, rude boy, 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 boy. Come here, rude boy, 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 boy. Come here, rude boy, boy, boy.
It's your DJ Clean.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, what you want, Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want, is what you want, nah, nah. Boy, 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 boy. Come
तो आज यार घर पे ये बोल दो आएंगे देर से फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले गलती वो जोड़ लो तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के चेंगे हीरो बन कर वो जय जय शिव शंकर रजबूड़ है भयंकर रंगूड़ रे दो रंगूड़ रे दो हम आए बंद शंकर के मूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ रे दो रंगूड़ रे दो वो जय जय शिव शंकर रजबूड़ है भयंकर रंगूड़ रे दो रंगूड़ रे दो
Holi isn't just about colors, it's also about cuisine. Let's see what traditional Indian food they have on display.
Happy Holi!
I take it that as the head of the Indian delegation here in Jamaica, this is your first stint celebrating Holi. How's the day's activities gone so far?
Fantastic. You know, this is my first celebration of Holi in Kingston. This is an annual event, as I told you earlier. I also had the opportunity to visit Montego Bay last week, where the Montego Bay Association of Indians celebrated Holi in Tropical Beach. I tell you, the fervor, the energy which Jamaicans have, which the Indian origin people, the Indian diaspora has here in celebrating Holi is fantastic. It was my first experience of celebrating Holi on a beach, and it was fantastic. I tell you, with the water on one side and beautiful white sandy beach on the other side. But however, this event here in India, Jamaica, Friendship Hope Garden is even much bigger. We have nearly 1,000 people here. They say probably more than that, and still people are coming, as you can see. This is one of the best Holis I've celebrated till now ever.
How is this one compared to the last one?
This one is more like filled with people here, so it's like more fun this year. It's more fun this year.
And you're enjoying the day?
Yes.
Come, absolutely come, enjoy the culture, enjoy the paint, enjoy the food. It's a great time, so you should come.
I think festivals like this always bring us together, and it's beautiful that we see so many Jamaicans and people from all colors and all parts of the world celebrating together, and I just love the diversity and the fact that a festival like this brings us together.
Happy Holi 2025!
Happy Holi 2025!
Happy Holi 2025!
After a day of powders and palavin, we can all say Holi 2025 here in Jamaica has been a great success. Hi, I'm Melvin Pennant.
And I'm Raquel Robinson. And on behalf of the production team here, Paul Watkins, Brittany Walker, and Tashiana Collins, this has been PBCJ's Agenda Jamaica. Thank you for watching. Bye.